Today for Mousetrap Monday, I'm going to show you a trap that I recreated from a book that was written in 1881 titled Camp Life in the Woods and Tricks of Trapping and Trap Making. That book is full of different trap designs, everything from trapping bears and tigers, hippos, down to mice. This is one intended for mice called the board flap trap, so let me show you how it works. To start off with, you need two pieces of wood that are attached with hinges on the back so the top board can go up and down. On the upper board, you drill two holes, one right here for the trigger stick, one up here for the support wire, and then a nail in front with a head that holds the trigger lever. On the bottom board, you drill a hole that fits a curved piece of wire. This is a support wire that holds up the upper board when the trap's set, and in the back, you drill a larger hole right below the trigger. That way, when the trap goes off, the full impact hits the mouse, and there's room for the bait in the trigger stick. And this wire is slightly curved, so when it fits through the hole in the top board, the board goes up and down smoothly without catching. Here's what the trigger stick looks like. We put the bait down here. Up top there's a notch that fits the top lever, and this is tapered so it doesn't fit all the way through the hole, but it inserts in the board. That taper keeps it from going all the way through, but you'll see the lever up top and that will move forward and back. That way when the mouse comes and pulls on the bottom, the notch moves. The last thing we need is a straight stick that's cut just the right length where the back fits in the notch of the trigger and the front fits under the head of the nail. When you lift this up, the stick will fit on top of the wire. You wedge it there on the nail. That makes the back want to come up, and you latch it into the trigger. This trap is now all set. The mouse will come under the board, want to get that bait, pull the trigger, the board comes down, and you got him. This trap worked well on our finger puppet mouse. Let's go test it out in the barn with motion cameras and see if we can get some wild mice with the flat mouse trap from an 1881 book. The board flap trap is simple to build, it has a very sensitive trigger system, and it works well on mice. Last night we set this trap up in the barn. The mouse went in there, wanted to get the bait, hit the trigger, and got caught. Now this trap was published in a book 100 years before I was born. If you want to buy that book, I'll put a link in the description below. Also, there's a condensed version online for free. I'll put that link as well. And let me know which ones you want me to feature in upcoming Mousetrap Monday videos. Even the traps intended for larger animals such as hippos, tigers, and bears, I'm sure we can scale them down to work for mice. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.